Welcome back, guys. So let me introduce you to a concept called domain names. If you are trying to build a professional website, you need to get domain names. And domain names are simple logic. They are addressed to your website. And it's just like you having a house, and the house needs an address, of course. The address of your house is your domain name. Why we're going to talk about how to get domain names, and you'll be able to get domain names on different platforms. Some of the platforms that host domain names are Hostinger, some of the platforms are Namecheap, some of the platforms are GoDaddy. So domain name is a unique string of characters that identifies a website, email service, or other online resource. For example, the domain name for Google is google.com. So that's what domain names are. That's what you're seeing right here. You could see that the example right here is saying this. That's what domain names are. How do you connect to a domain name? That's what this is saying right now. It says how domain name works, and you're going to see how it works right now. So we're going to just leave this. And how domain name works, it says when you type a domain name into your browser, the domain name system DNS translates it into an IP address. You don't need to understand the abstraction of domain names, but basically what domain names are, when you have something like www.something.com, like my own personal website now is www.bilatech.com. So this is my domain name. This whole name is my domain name, and this is how you create a professional website. So when you check this, I have a personal website which is www.bilatech.com. So this is just like my house, and the address to my house is this. So without this address, I cannot get to these websites. That's what domain names are. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.